Hey everyone, in today's video we have ASICS men running shoes. So let's check out its review and demo. MRP is 5,999. We got them from Amazon at 16% discount for 5052 and I've put the link in the description box. Actually my son started getting a lot of heel pain from running, so someone recommended me these ASICS shoes. That's why I have decided to try them and maybe they will be useful for you too. Anyways, we took 6 UK size and the size options are available from 3.5 UK all the way up to 12 UK. And these shoes have ASICS gel technology and it has amplifoam midsole which absorbs shock. Especially the cushioning in the heel area is very good. The upper material is mesh, so it's breathable, feet won't sweat much, and the sole is quite flexible, grippy. Whether it's a running track or road, you'll get a good grip. Perfect shoes for running. So when it comes to quality, ASICS is a trusted brand for running shoes anyway. Stitching, gluing, everything is solid. If you need good running shoes, definitely try these and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.